My name is Ain. In this video, I would like to inform you that me and my team are currently planning on building a website to offer everybody on the internet to provide their services online. I believe that everybody have their own talent, their own passion, their own skills, and if you think you can help others by providing what you can do for them as a service, you can put your own price also. You can use that website to offer it. So I would like to have some ideas on what you think you can offer. If let's say this website is already up on the internet, all the transaction will be done online and all the delivery of the services will be done online. You don't have to be one-to-one meet up with your customers, and you don't have to deliver your items to that customers. This will be a very unique concept because everybody know that if there is a place on the internet to offer to sell things, it will usually be a physical product or an online product, which means like maybe sell things or sell your ebooks. But as for now, my website, the website we are currently planning on to build, will be an online marketplace of services. So you can provide just about anything, a service to the online users. So comment on this video to give me some of your ideas or what are the possible things that you think you can offer to the rest of the users on the internet. What kind of service will that be? So I hope to hear from you very soon. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.